To gather is to gather everybody so that we can start the game. Can be replaced by round up. Round up everybody so we can start. Are you keeping up so far? Let me know in the comments. Write down your sentences with phrasal verbs and I will provide feedback. So let's move on. Do you understand everything? Can be replaced by keep up. Are you keeping up? And to move on, as a much more formal, natural way, a much more informal, natural way of saying, let's continue. Let's move on. I watched The Avengers last night. Avengers, the noun, and to avenge. The movie is about heroes who avenge the people of the planet after it was attacked. So to avenge, very formal, can be replaced by to get back at. Or we can also use another phrasal verb, get even. To get back at someone or to get even. Succeed can be replaced by get ahead. He wants to succeed in his career. He wants to get ahead in his career. It's much more natural. Socialize. Teenagers, they just want to hang out. In fact, all of us just want to hang out with our friends. Laugh can be replaced by crack up. He laughs at jokes. Or he cracks up at jokes. Jokes crack him up. Write a sentence with crack up. You can separate it, cracks him up, or you can use crack up together. Write it in the comments and let me see how you're doing.